Hey everyone, this is Eric coming from Kansas again. So it's January 23rd, Sunday, 2022. A couple weeks ago, we harvested our carrots. So we planted them in early August, like August 8th or 9th of 2021. A little late, but they're late than never, I guess you say. And I just wanted to see how they do through our colder months of latter part of 2021. And so in a minute here you'll see a video of us harvesting them in some pretty cold weather here in early January, but January 8th. But this is the bed they were in. We built these little hoops here. This is the Mittleider gardening method. Built these hoops here to make a little greenhouse for them so they could stay a little warmer through the colder months. And they did pretty well. I mean, we just kept them watered every now and then. They don't need as much water in the winter time. So we took off our little irrigation pipes and just covered them with this greenhouse. This is 6 mil plastic, a roll of 100 feet by 10 foot wide 6 mil plastic that I just got at Home Depot. Put it on this one, and I put it on this one right here. We have our lettuce. Once we put this in, there for a couple months there, we didn't have to buy lettuce for a couple months. So from the store, so that was pretty nice. Just kind of came out here and cut off lettuce leaves and let the rest of them grow. They're all dead now, but we'll plant them here in a month or two. Again, anyway, I wanted to show you the video of us harvesting our carrots here in the latter part of this video, and you'll see what we got for a harvest, and then you'll see a picture at the end of all the carrots we got from the harvest. And we got about 8.5 pounds of carrots from about 5 foot. So this bed was filled with carrots on one end over here, and we had some onions over here. So it was about 5 foot of growing space by 18 inches. So 5 by 18 inches of growing space. We got 8.5 pounds of carrots. I bet we could have gotten a little bit more yield if we planted them, maybe mid-July or early July, which is the plan this year. But anyway, I thought I'd show you this little video here. It's about 2 minutes long, and you can see what we got for carrots. And enjoy. And grace and peace be with you. Bye for now. Wow! Charlie, what did we just do?
Grow some carrots.
Well, we harvested carrots. Can you say that?
Harvested some carrots.
Very nice.
And we digged up some super big ones.
Oh yeah. Where are they?
These are
oh my goodness,
ones.
Look at those.
Look at this big fat one.
Ooh, that's crazy.
And they are very, very fresh.
Yes, can you smell them too?
Yes.
What do they smell like?
They smell like very fresh carrots.
Nice.
It probably would be a nice scent in the house. Anyway, they are very fresh carrots.
So, Mommy, why is the ground so hard?
Because it's frozen.
You
Here.
dumb brownie.
Try this, Mommy. Hey, careful, Charlie, careful. We have frozen ground we're dealing with because it's January in Kansas. You gonna destroy that thing? Careful. Watch your feet. That's not all carrots, but it's pretty close.
Something live right there.
Hey. No, don't do that. Watch your hands. Okay, we got these out finally, the last ones. But they're have frozen dirt. Oh well. We'll get it. Now we're gonna get some onions out.